Have you ever wondered how animals are classified? It's a vast and intricate system known as animal taxonomy, which is essentially the scientific method of categorizing and organizing living organisms into hierarchical groups based on their shared traits. This system enables scientists to classify and identify different species, understand their evolutionary relationships, and study their diversity and distribution. The roots of animal taxonomy stretch back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations from Egypt, Greece to China, they all categorized animals based on obvious traits and practical considerations. However, the modern scientific taxonomy that we know today began to take shape in the 18th century, courtesy of Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus. Linnaeus introduced a hierarchical classification system based on shared characteristics, which he detailed in his groundbreaking work, Systema Naturae, published in 1735. The Linnaean system of classification typically features several levels of organization, from broad categories to more specific ones. At the top of the hierarchy is the kingdom. This level divides organisms into broad groups such as Animalia for animals, Plantae for plants, fungi, Protista and Monera for bacteria and archaea. Each kingdom is further divided into phyla, which are based on distinctive characteristics shared by a group of organisms. For example, within the animal kingdom, phyla include chordata for organisms with a notochord, arthropoda for organisms with segmented bodies and jointed appendages, and mollusca for organisms with soft bodies usually enclosed in a shell. Phyla are then subdivided into classes based on additional shared characteristics. For instance, within the phylum Chordata, classes include Mammalia for mammals, Aves for birds, Reptilia for reptiles, Amphibia for amphibians, and Actinopterygii for ray-finned fishes. Classes are divided into orders, which group together organisms with even more specific shared characteristics. For example, within the class Mammalia, orders include Carnivora for carnivores, Primates, Rodentia for rodents, and Artiodactyla for even-toed ungulates. Orders are subdivided into families, which consist of closely related genera. Families are characterized by shared anatomical, physiological, or genetic traits. Examples of families include Felidae for the cat family, Canidae for the dog family, and Hominidae for the great ape family. Families are further divided into genera, which contain one or more closely related species that share common ancestry. Genera are often indicated by capitalized, italicized names, such as Homo for the genus to which humans belong, Panthera for the genus of big cats, and Canis for the genus of dogs. The most specific level of classification is the species. Species are groups of organisms that are capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. Each species is given a unique two-part scientific name, known as binomial nomenclature, which consists of the genus name followed by the species name. For example, the scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens, with Homo as the genus and sapiens as the species. In summary, animal classification provides a systematic framework for organizing and understanding the immense diversity of life on Earth. It allows scientists to study the relationships between different organisms and their evolutionary history. So, the next time you see a creature, remember that it has its own unique place in this fascinating system of classification. If the video is informative, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.